Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can set basic type validation in Textual with your input fields. So what I have here in front of me is a very simple app with a single input, and so you can see the input here, and at this point I can type whatever I want inside the input. Now if I go ahead and if I change its type, I can set it to one of three values. Text is the default one and it lets you type anything you want. But you can also set it to integer, in which case only integers make it to the input. So if I type letters, they don't show up in the in the input. And you can also set it to number, which lets you type decimal numbers, so something like 123.45, and it also accepts scientific notation, so I can do something like E10. So these are the types. Now you can do other things. So for example, what you can do is also you can set the maximum length that's allowed, for example, to 10. I go ahead and if I try to run my application, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I can no longer type more numbers because the maximum length was set to 10. And one other thing you can do is you can set the restrict parameter, which accepts a regular expression, and the regular expression will further restrict what things you can type. Now, one thing that's very important is to understand that the restrict regular expression will apply to the whole field. So, okay, to the complete thing that's written there plus what you want to type. So if I want to create an input field that only accepts binary numbers with at most 10 digits, I need to say that I accept zeros and ones an arbitrary number of times. Because if I don't have the quantifier there, then I'm essentially saying I can only type a single digit. And what I want is I want multiple digits. So the regular expression that restricts things is applied to the whole field, and if it matches, then it's valid input. If it doesn't match, it's not valid input. So now this works. Alright, so these were the three basic parameters that I wanted to tell you about. You can have even better and more complex and more dynamic and more versatile validation, but I will leave that for the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching. I'll leave documentation links below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.